Welcome to a daily tool haul, and today we're going to be going over the KLIEN 8-piece 90-tooth ratcheting box wrench set. Item number 69408MG and 69408G, and this is for the SAE. So that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get the ratchets and the case in each, 8 pieces in each. It's really nice. They're color coded. 90-tooth ratcheting mechanism. So it's pretty cool. They're like a black oxide finish. Got some weight to them. Definitely a hefty wrench. Let's compare it to a Milwaukee 19. And then let's compare it to a Craftsman. So it's the 19 millimeter compared to a Milwaukee. Definitely don't have the length, but the head looks to be a little bit bigger on the KLIEN than on the Milwaukee. Definitely some more thickness and width on the Craftsman. I mean, on the KLIEN than on the Craftsman. So in the metric set, you're going to get 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, and 19. I really wish this didn't have skip sizing. I mean, for the price, you really shouldn't have skips. These were $80 at Lowe's. And the SAE, as you can see, you got 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. 90-tooth, 4-degree arc swing. Each one comes with this nice pouch. Made in South Korea. So it would be nice if they're made in the United States, like other KLIEN tools, or even in Taiwan, South Korea as well. So here they are in the case. The case is okay. I don't know how long this netting is gonna last. It is thick, it's padded, it's got hanging holes, kind of like a space-saving design. It lays flat, so if you want to put it like in the door of your truck or your toolbox or tool bag, it's not necessarily rolled, but it folds over and velcros. Just looking at these, did notice that the colors are pretty similar on both sets, like the 8mm and 5/16 are both gold. The next wrench in the set is blue, red, and then it goes green, where this one's orange. Got a purple, green. So, I mean, it could get confusing if you're, set in stone on the coloring. I would have chose different colors for each sizing metric. And I can say the finish on them is okay. I can already see a couple spots where it might not last. Like here, I mean, I haven't even used these, and you already got tool marks where the finish is coming off of them. So it's definitely not a set of wrenches that you're going to be able to keep looking new if you use them on a daily basis. It's not like your chrome finish where, you know, they just get scratched, but they're always able to polish them up. As for the ratchet mechanism, it's a little clunky. Well, they might wear in. I mean, compared to like a Craftsman, definitely sounds less clunky, but has a little bit of play to it. These still got a little bit of play. The bigger ones are less clunky. I don't know. We'll see how they hold up. If you guys have any questions on these, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to respond. And again, these are the KLIEN 8-piece 90-tooth ratcheting box wrench sets. We have the metric and we have the SAE. The metric is 69408 mg and the SAE is 69408G. And if you want to purchase these for yourself, there'll be a link in the description. Catch you guys later.